So I'm going to be talking about recycling roads. So have you ever wondered what happens to the roads when they are degraded to a limit no longer serviceable? Probably not, because normally we care about driving on the smooth roads possible. But behind the scenes, civil engineers apply a huge amount of efforts in providing you the smoothest road possible. So when the roads are degraded to a limit no longer serviceable, a process called milling is applied that removes the top layer of the pavement to make room for newer construction. But during the process, tremendously large amount of asphaltic waste is produced, which is termed as reclaimed asphalt pavements, or RAP. RAP is actually a combination of stone and sand held together by petroleum byproduct called asphalt. United States of America possesses the world's longest infrastructure network in the world. Over 90% of these roads, they are built with asphaltic mixtures. And as a result of that, the United States alone produces 100 million tons of RAP annually. Since our roads are such a huge length, we can circle around the earth more than 100 times. And as a consequence of this, 100 million tons of RAP is produced, and in order to put that number into perspective, an area equivalent to 10 football fields is required to properly dispose of this material. Hence comes the importance of my research. We want to recycle this material and put it back into the pavement construction to reduce the existing RAP stockpiles, as well as reduction in the production of the RAP and conservation of our natural resources. So what I've done so far, I have collected RAP samples from all over Virginia, and I've tested them in laboratory-controlled environment, which would then simulate field conditions. What I actually do, I mix this RAP with the clean aggregates and test them such that it would actually is present in the field or the pavement structure inside. And what I've found so far is that when you mix this RAP in up to 40% with the clean aggregates, we tend to improve the performance of the material as a whole. So this is actually a typical pavement section, and we want to utilize this mixture in the base course of the pavement structure. And if we can start utilizing up to 40% of this mixture in our pavement construction, we can save up to $4.5 billion. This statistics was taken by a study that was published in 2011. So this actually sums up my whole research that I'm conducting. So sustainable development is a future that we want for all of us. It ensures economic growth and environmental stewardship for all of us. And therefore, it is essential to reduce, reuse, and recycle our waste products as much as we can. Thank you very much.